Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your form builder into this new UI interface. Now, I am so excited to share with you that the developer team are working really hard on updating the user friendliness of the interface. If you create your form right now, this is a fresh new look, and you can actually turn this on right now if you want to, because it will enhance your user experience and also get access to some amazing new features of this form builder. Now the first step in order to turn this on, because it's not live yet, but it will be live on like a month or so. But if you want full access right away, then you can actually get that now by going into your settings. And let me show you where to turn that on. Go into your settings under labs. You can find here early beta program access if you want to turn on some features right away. I advise you to check this and get those enhancement and different new features right away. But we'll focus on one thing right now, which would be the enhance or revamp form builder. Now, once you turn this on, you can now get access to that form builder. You can also see a lot of new things here, like enhanced email builder, which will also significantly redesign the UI or the interface, so you can actually access those new features. So once you turn that on, you can go to sites, forms, and pretty much the same thing. Click on add form, and then once you click on that, it will open the new layout for you. Now, if you are looking for the elements, it's going to be on the left hand corner. Now once you click on add form element, you can find all the use mostly used custom fields, which are like the personal information, contact information, and all of that in here. And you can see it's very organized. It makes more sense right now. Even like customized here, it's like organized per category, right? And also, if you want to add custom fields, it's going to be on here, and then just add custom fields. Now, focusing on the right hand corner of the screen would be all of the adjustment, like the settings. If you can see all here, the styles and options, it's very intuitive, and you can definitely use all of these features because you can also enhance the look and feel of your form by using the different styles, even the background, the border, the padding, if you want the spacing to adjust, even the field style, the font colors, and everything. You can find that under the right hand corner. And then also the CSS, if you are a heavy coder yourself, you can use this for sure. Now, under options, would be like the settings of the actual form, like where you rename your form, the message, if the form has been submitted, and all of that, as here, as well as the tracking codes if you want to track the visit, number of visit for this actual form, you can do so as well. All right, so that's a quick update for the form. I advise you to check the beta program access so you can also see the different elements and features that are going to be available soon in the system. All right. If you have any question regarding the tutorial, let us know. If you want to learn specific about the CRM, let us know so we can create that next tutorial for you. See you next weekend. Take care.